This St. Cloud community is using all Florida natives for the landscape rather than your traditional landscaping. You have a covered patio, and they are doing this in an effort to reduce irrigation, fertilization, pesticides, and mowing, and it's great for the environment. You have a flex room to the left and a bedroom here to my right. If you want the 5th bedroom, bathroom, you can have that instead. And there would be a solid door. It's just currently being used as an office space. There's 2,877 square feet. You have a full-size bathroom. Additional storage over here by the stairs, and the base price starts at $559,990. For the kitchen, you do have a couple different options to choose from, and then you have your pantry space. Some of your amenities include a pool and cabana. There's a playground, walking trails, and a community garden. Another option that you have is adding the sliding glass doors over here by the cafe, just off of your covered lanai. You have a door taking you out to your little breezeway, which is attached to your 2-car garage. This community is very similar to the Weslyn Park community in Lake Nona. You can have anywhere from 4 to 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This is the gathering room. If you are looking for a quick move-in, there are 2 available now in this floor plan. One is priced at $619,990 and the other $629,990. They are both 4-bedroom homes. At the top of the stairs, you have your loft space. If you need a 5th bedroom, you can have the bedroom bathroom here in place of the loft. The laundry room is located on the 2nd floor. You have a nice window in here, providing natural light. There's a closet outside of your primary bedroom. I like the little seating area next to the windows where you can read a book or enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning in your own private space. We come into your bathroom. You have the vanity on each side here, and you can have a large walk-in shower or have a smaller one with a tub. There's a small linen closet and then a large walk-in closet. So you have your shower and then a privacy door for your toilet. This home does come in a couple different options as far as your exterior goes. The loft is large enough that if you need an area for kids maybe to have a homework space, you could put a desk here. Your remaining 2 bedrooms are divided by a full-size bathroom with the shower and tub. And you have plenty of space for your bedroom furniture. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more video tours like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.